Welcome to the ultimate cordless vacuum showdown. In the red corner, we have the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, a premium cordless vacuum renowned for its robust build quality, advanced laser dust detection, and superb multi-surface cleaning abilities. In the blue corner, we have the Dreame R20, known for its lighter weight, impressive suction power, and longer runtime, making it a solid choice for efficient everyday cleaning. Stick around as we dive into each vacuum's features to help you decide which is best for your home. You'll find discount links for both vacuums in the description below. Round 1 Suction Power. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim delivers powerful suction with an airflow of 150 air watts, ensuring deep cleaning across various surfaces. The Dreame R20, on the other hand, offers 190 air watts of suction, providing a slight edge in raw suction, which can be helpful for quick pickups and heavy dirt removal. Both vacuums perform exceptionally well on floors, carpets, and ceilings, making this a tie. Round 2 Cleaning Efficiency. When cleaning hard floors and carpets, the Dyson V12 shines with its laser dust detection, illuminating microscopic dust, ensuring you don't miss a spot. Advanced filtration captures tiny particles so it releases cleaner air. It's ideal for hard floors and performs decently on carpets. The vacuum is good for vacuuming hair and can handle small to large debris. The Dreame R20, with its dual brush design and bright blue laser light, excels on both hard floors and carpets. You can literally see it soaking up all kinds of debris in just one glide. Plus, the 5-layer filtration system traps even tiny particles, leaving your home fresh and clean. And that makes Dreame R20 the winner of round 2. Ease of use. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim is lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to maneuver. It has an excellent 90-degree laser detection angle. Its LCD screen shows you how much dust it picks up, the power mode, alerts, and the exact runtime left. In build, the R20 is slightly lighter than the Dyson V12. Coming to the laser detection angle of the Dreame R20, it's better, 138 degrees. A real-time LED display shows cleaning status, mode options, and maintenance alerts at a glance. Plus, washable parts like the cyclone, filter, roller brush, and pre-filter keep the vacuum in top condition with minimal effort. Last but not least, the Dreame R20 has a better design of flexible adapter, so it makes it even easier to get into the hidden corners. Now, both the vacuums come with swappable batteries, so you can always have an extra pair for emergencies. Both vacuums automatically adjust power based on the dirt they detect, saving battery. And both are cordless. Still, in round 3, the Dreame R20 wins with lighter weight, a better flexible adapter, and a larger laser detection angle. Battery life. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim has a runtime of around 62 minutes, sufficient for small to medium-sized homes. The boost setting does drain the battery quickly. However, the Dreame R20 has 57 minutes of runtime, which is good enough for small to medium-sized spaces. But its battery too gets drained at a high power mode. Both models take around 4 hours to charge, but Dyson V12's longer runtime offers more flexibility. So the winner is the Dyson V12. With extended battery life, it's built for longer, uninterrupted cleaning. Round 5 Attachments. Dyson provides a range of attachments, including a motorized brush, crevice tool, and dusting brush, making it versatile for various cleaning tasks. The fluffy optic head lights up hidden dust on hard floors, and the motor bar head works on all floor types, trying to remove hair without tangling. The hair screw tool sucks up long hair and pet hair. It also has 5 tools for cleaning high, low, and in between. The felt roller attachment could be disappointing. The Dreame R20 also offers a soft roller brush focusing on pet hair and hard-to-reach spots. The crevice nozzle, motorized mini brush, and wide combination tool help in easy deep cleaning of tricky areas like behind the couch or staircases. However, the small brush attachment struggles to spin when pulled backward, and a flexible hose would make it much easier to clean with one hand. If you have a lot of deep carpets, you might still need a full-sized vacuum for better results. Both vacuums cover similar needs, but Dyson's reputation for high-quality functional attachments is hard to beat. Round 6 Ease of maintenance. Dyson's parts are generally easy to clean, and their clear 0.16 liters bin system is simple to empty. Its parts are also known for durability. Storing it is a bit tricky, as the battery shouldn't be kept in areas below 60 degrees, a challenge in an older home with limited storage. The Dreame R20, however, has a simpler design for disassembly and cleaning, making it slightly more user-friendly when it comes to maintenance. The bin capacity is 0.6 liters, and it is pretty simple to empty it. It's also easier to charge the Dreame R20 battery. Just plug it in and done. So Dreame R20 wins round 5 with its quicker and easier to maintain overall. Round 7, customer support and warranty. Dyson offers a 2-year warranty on its V12 Detect Slim, and the customer support is reliable. The Dreame R20 provides a 1-year warranty with satisfactory customer support. And the winner is the Dyson V12 Detect Slim with a longer warranty for peace of mind. Overall winner. After weighing all categories, the Dreame R20 takes the win for those who need a powerful, lightweight vacuum with a flexible adapter, spotless cleaning, and pet hair removal. However, Dyson V12 is good if you want a longer warranty, a longer runtime, and more cleaning components. But how does Dyson compare to everyone's favorite Henry? Watch this detailed comparison to know it all.